In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send estimates in QuickBooks. We'll start on your QuickBooks online dashboard. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Create or New button. This opens a menu that groups actions by type. Under the Customers section, choose Estimate. That opens the estimate form where you'll build and send your quote. At the top, start by creating the estimate. Pick the customer from the drop-down. If this is a new customer, select Add New and enter their basic details so you can reuse them next time. Make sure the customer's email address is accurate, since QuickBooks uses it to deliver the estimate. You can also review the estimate date and, if available in your setup, an expiration date or term so your customer knows how long the pricing is valid. Next, enter your line items. In the product or service column, choose what you're quoting. Add a clear description if you need to spell out scope or materials. Fill in the quantity and the rate for each line, and QuickBooks will calculate the amount automatically. If you collect sales tax, choose the correct tax setting for each line, or mark it as non-taxable if it doesn't apply. Accurate item details make approval smoother and reduce back and forth later. As you add items, keep an eye on the amount column for each line to confirm the math matches your expectations. Then review the subtotal at the bottom, which reflects the total before tax or discounts. This quick check helps catch typos in quantities or rates. If you use discounts, add them where appropriate and confirm the updated subtotal still looks right. Use the customer message or notes field to add friendly, helpful context. This is a great place to include timelines, what's included or excluded, and next steps after approval. Clear notes can prevent misunderstandings and speed up acceptance. Before sending, do a final pass. Confirm the customer, email address, item details, tax, amount, and subtotal. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will show an email preview with the estimate attached as a PDF. You can tweak the subject and message to match your tone, then confirm the recipient address is correct. When you're ready, send the estimate. Your customer will receive a professional-looking email with a link to view the estimate, and you'll be able to track its status right in QuickBooks. That's it. You've created, reviewed, and sent an estimate in QuickBooks, setting yourself up for faster approvals and cleaner records.